Hello and welcome to our series on the Russian alphabet. Today we'll look at the alphabet from start to finish, letter by letter. As a reminder, the alphabet has 33 letters. There are 21 consonants that are in black, 10 vowels in red, and 2 signs in green. So let's go letter by letter now. First we have A, B, V. So this is similar to the English V sound. Next one is G, similar to the English G. Next one is D, also similar to D. Next one, Ye, Yo, Zhe. This one is kind of like the J sound in English. Next one, Z, similar to the letter Z. This one is E. And this next one looks similar, but this is actually the short E, which is called I kratkaya. Next one, K, L, M, N, O, P. It looks different, but it really does just sound like the P in English. This one is R. So it's similar to the R, except we roll it. S, T, U, F, H, C. This one's a little trickier. It's like a TZ sound. It's C. So just practice. Okay, this one is Che, kind of like the CH in chair, Che. Okay, this one is Sha, Sha. Next one's going to look similar, but it's got a little bit of a tail here, and this one is Sha. So there's just a slight difference in that sound that does become more evident as you see it in practice. So we have Sha and Sha. Next one. This one does not make a sound on its own. This is the hard sign, which in Russian is called tвердый знак. Next one, Y. This is also a little bit tricky. It's between the letters U and E, that kind of sound. So I'll repeat it one more time, Y. Okay, next one is the soft sign. Also doesn't make a sound on its own. In Russian, it's called мягкий знак. Right, next one, E. Next one is U. And the last one is Ya. All right, that's the letters. Now you know all of them by name. I know this is a lot to take in right now, but what we've actually done is taken these letters and put them into different groups based on different characteristics. So if you follow along with us in the upcoming videos, we will go group by group, and so we'll break it down for you to make it easier for you to understand and learn and retain all of this information. If you learned anything, make sure you leave a comment below and hit that like button. And next time, join Lauren and I as we talk about this first group, which is our easiest one. It's the same look and familiar sound to English letters. All right, thanks for watching. До свидания.